But what does all of this mean and why does it matter? We can take a look at the Agile Manifesto. The first line of the manifesto was already quoted earlier, but I'll repeat it because it's very important. We are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others to do it. And through this work, the authors have come to value individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. In order to understand how these apply, let's go through them one by one. Number one, we value individuals and interactions over processes and tools. The first value, like all the others, comes from the vast experience of the authors, and I can confirm it based on mine. That talking face to face with people and finding out what their real need is can't be replaced by any form, pipeline, tool, or process. In order to understand the second value, we need to go back to the waterfall example. Due to short design, development, and testing times, and lack of feedback from the customer, the other output of the model, besides a questionable product, is a lot of documentation to make up for the features that weren't well designed. And the problem with documentation is that nobody reads it. Be honest, when is the last time you read a user manual? The best product is a product that just works and does not need a manual. It's intuitive and does what you expect. Think of Apple products, for example. For the third value, again referring to the waterfall example, due to the way the model is structured, in order for the client to make sure they get what they want, they will try to cram as much as possible when defining requirements because they know those go into the contract and can't be changed. And the solution provider will do their best to push back so that they can get the same amount of money with less effort. So the focus is on the time to market instead of time to value. The Agile way sets a broad working framework to prevent abuse of goodwill, but everything else is done by collaboration with the client, both in the beginning, but especially during the development cycle with constant feedback and demos. And this neatly ties to number 4, which is responding to change and actually embracing change to provide maximum value. Nobody can know everything in the beginning. Not the customer, not the management, and especially not the team. But this brings us back to the previous remark. When you face uncertainty, try something you think might work, get feedback, and adjust accordingly. So the Agile Manifesto concludes with a remark that says, while there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more.